James Smith, 1719 to 1806, delegate from Pennsylvania, signer of the Declaration of Independence. James Smith was born in Ireland and emigrated to Pennsylvania as a child. He received a classical education from a local minister and went on to study law at the Philadelphia Academy. After being admitted to the bar in 1745, he set up his own practice near Shippensburg. Yet, as this was a frontier area, he spent much of his time as a surveyor. By 1750, he had moved east to York. But despite being the only lawyer in town, he had trouble building his practice. In an attempt to diversify his income, he began an iron factory. But the two partners he chose in this venture proved dishonest, and he lost a great deal of money. In 1774, Smith was elected to the Provincial Assembly, where he expressed concern about what he considered Britain's dangerous overreach of authority in the colonies. In a paper entitled An Essay on the Constitutional Power of Great Britain over the Colonies in America, he recommended a boycott of British goods and the creation of a General Congress of the Colonies in order to defend colonial rights. Smith was elected to serve in the Second Continental Congress. Although he did not arrive in Philadelphia in time for the debates over Richard Henry Lee's resolution or the draft of the Declaration of Independence, he did become a signer. Smith retired from Congress after 2 years, leaving with a reputation as a wit and an eccentric. He died in 1806 in York, aged 86.